In this video, we are going to learn how to alter a table structure, means how to change a table structure. Okay, now in the previous video, we saw how to create tables using PHP. So this is the code for it. So I will just delete it for now. Okay, and here I will just type altering, just write here altering table structure. Okay, that is what we are going to study. Okay, so let's go to PHP MyAdmin. I'll just go here. And here we created a table in the last video. Okay, so I'll just go to that table. Okay, so it is consisting of three columns and I have even inserted some values to this table. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to add one more column. Now see, already the table has been created, but now I'm saying that I want to add one more column. So for that we can make use of the alter statement. What I will do is I will just pass a query alter. This is a keyword. Alter means to change. Alter table. Which table? In our case it is users. Add, because I want to add one more column. Add column. Column name, let's what should be the column name in this case? We have username, email ID, and let's keep as mobile number. Let's keep, I will simply say mob underscore no, shortcut. Mobile number, which will be int. Okay, simple, like this. Okay, now I can even give out some constraints like not null or like that, but for now I'm not giving any such constraint. Alter table means I'm saying alter this table called users and add a column named mobile number, which is of the type int. Very simple, quite straightforward, quite straightforward. Now what I will do is I'll run this. Okay, let's click on go. Okay, so query has been successfully executed. Now I will just go to this table, and as you can see, a column called mobile number has been created and it has a null value. Why? Because the default is null. Okay, if I had specified not null, I wouldn't have got the null value. Okay, I would have got the error in that case. Okay, so this is how you can add a column. Okay, once a table is created, let's say if I want to change the name of my table. Okay, I just want to keep it, instead of users I want to keep user details. So even I can do that using the alter command. I will just say alter table name. So just say alter table name, and then we have rename. Okay, rename, because I want to rename it, right? So that's why I always say MySQL is very user friendly. Okay, it is like an English language. Rename to new table name. New table name is user detail. Okay. So what I'm saying is alter this table called users and rename it to this name, user underscore d. Quite straightforward syntax. Okay. And now let's run this. Okay. So as you can see, the name has been changed. Now it is user underscore details. Okay. Okay. One more thing is, let's say right now, I'll just go to the structure of this table. So you can just click on this table, and here you have a tab called structure. So I'll just go on it. And here you can see everything related to that column. Now I want to change its type. Okay, varchar. Okay, I want to keep varchar, but I want to change the size maximum limit from 50. I want to keep it to 100. So how to do that? Okay, even that can be done using the alter command. So what I will do is I'll just click on the database, and inside the SQL will fire a query. So what we need to do is just say alter table. Table name is now user details because we have changed the name. And then I will just say modify. In this case, we are just modifying the value. Modify column, and the column name is let's say username. And now I want to keep varchar as 100, limit as 100. So what I'm saying is alter this table called user details and modify this column as username varchar, and the limit now is 100. I'll just run this. Let's see it works. Okay, so it is working. Now I will just go to user details. I'll just check. Go to the structure. Okay, as you can see now the limit has been changed from 50 to 100. So even you can change the type. You can keep from varchar to char, or maybe from integer to big int, small int, tiny int. Okay, that is completely up to you, and it is done using the alter command. Okay, so this is how you can table alter a table structure. You can change the name of the table, you can change the column names, then even you can change the column type, means what type is it, limit. You can add a column, you can even delete a column. Okay, so these all operations are done using the alter command, and the same operations can be performed using the PHP program. We know what to do. First we create the connection, and then we just pass the queries, means we execute that query. That's all. So what I will do is, using PHP, I will just show you one query. I will just rename this user underscore details to users. Again, let's keep the name to users. So I'll just show you once. Okay, so first let's create the connection. So $con mysqli underscore connect, and here first is the server name, that is localhost, then pass username root, password is blank, and database is my database. Now I'll just say if $con, simple. I'll just say echo connection successfully established, else echo connection has not been established. Okay. First step is to create the connection, then we will just execute our query. In this case our query is to rename, right? So I'll just say alter table user underscore details, and I'll just rename it, rename rename to new. Let's keep it as user. And now I will just say, I will just execute this query. So I'll just say if mysqli underscore query, means I'm just executing. So it takes two parameters. First is the connection and then my query, and I'll just echo out o table has been renamed. else I will say table has not. Okay, so I guess everything is working perfectly. One more thing, I will just break the line as well so that everything gets printed onto the new line. Okay, now I will save this, and the query looks perfect, renamed to. Okay, so now let's go to the browser and I'll just run this. Okay, let's reload this. Okay, connection successfully established and table has been renamed. So let's go here and reload this. I'll just reload this. From user details, it will be now users. Okay, so as you can see, we have users. Okay, so in this way, you can directly pass queries from here, fire queries from here, or even you can do it to PHP program. Okay, so this is all about altering table structure. So this is all for today's video. Thank you.